Good morning and Jain student. This is the Chem Zone channel, especially for the chemistry student. So I am going to start the next chapter of the series of BSc Chemistry. The name of the chapter is the Bio-Inorganic Chemistry. So what it does mean by this chapter name, Bio-Inorganic Chemistry, that the inorganic element involved into our daily lives, that is in biological functions. So simply, bioinorganic chemistry, it is the branch of science which deals with the importance of the inorganic substances into life processes. Inorganic substances are like the hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, that the elements are having specific function in our daily lives, and those functions we are studying here. So inorganic substances or elements are basically initially differentiated into two parts, that is essential elements and the non-essential elements. Essential means which are needed very much, so it is called essential, and non-essential means that not need to take from outside the body self synthesized it within the body. So the inorganic substances, essential elements that the body doesn't produce, so we need to take it from outside the sources, and non-essential which are synthesized within the body, and we need not to take these elements from outside the body. So these are the basic difference. Let's read its definition. Essential elements, these are indispensable for maintaining normal living state of the tissue or body. Non-essential elements, the elements which are not need to take from outside the body, it will synthesize within the body. So we deeply study the essential elements. So it is divided into groups based on amount. So first we divide the elements on the basis of their essentiality, that from where the sources of these elements, and then this essential elements divided on the basis of amount. But essential elements are of two types: bulk element, or we call it macromolecules, and trace element, which is micromolecules. The bulk element or macromolecules are needed in greater amount. So example are hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, sulfur, sodium, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and chlorine, and others. And trace elements or micromolecules are ferrous, copper, zinc, vanadium, nickel, cobalt, cadmium, lithium, palladium, sodium, Sn is a tin, manganese, molybdenum, cobalt, chromium, silicon, arsenic, selenium, fluorine, iodine, and boron. So these are in greater amount, these are in lesser amount. So the next heading is role of different metals in biological system.